I guess when we're talking about visual data, there's basically a whole new world out there now of opportunity where we can get cameras to places that we couldn't get them before, and we can get new types of sensors involved that we didn't have before. And we also have the AI to actually interpret some of that information. So once you have this data, the really exciting thing is that now we have AI that can process it. So it's not just the old taking photos in the field and then drawing some lines on in paint and handing it over to a blaster or a driller, or handing it over to geotech, for example. It's actually having this full 3D photo model that software can look over and automatically detect cracks in. The other thing is, with hyperspectral imagery, it's also possible to basically see where different types of mineralization are, either in the face or in the muckpile. So there's a whole bunch of exciting new things we can do with this new data.